and welcome to 305 Days of Cooking. I am Brian, and this is a introduction because this is done a day, but don't mind that. So, what are you gonna expect from 365 Days of Cooking? Food, and cooking. Because food is the essential art of life, and this is simply coming from a chef in training. So, if you actually like food or like to learn how to cook, then you can join me on my cooking journey. Because, as I said earlier, I am a chef in training. I don't have any certification, as I'm simply learning from what I supposedly call a really good chef. And what I plan to do with this channel is simply show you guys how to cook at home and serve this as my own little personal cooking blog. So, if there's any tediousness with this, I could try my best to split everything so everything is where you'd like it to be. And if there's anything that's wrong, you can actually tell me, and I'll try my best to help. But do mind that phones are kind of more cheaper than a video camera, and you can simply take a laptop and do something like this where you have a free camera. And that's kind of what I'm doing because I'm a little poor boy. What can I say? If you like cooking, food, or the culinary arts, then please subscribe, and you and me will learn together. And if you would like to, be a little pal, then come on, share your support, and please join me on my cooking journey. This is 365 Days Cooking, and I will see you in the next video. Good night. Or good day. Let's just end this.